In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install plugins for Better Discord. But first, please pause this video, read this, and then decide if you want to move on. Thank you. So I'm going to assume that you already have Better Discord installed, so I'm not going to show you how to do that. To install some plugins, you need to go to User Settings, and then just scroll down. You know I have Better Discord installed, and here you will have the Better Discord tab. Then just click on plugins. In this area right here, it's totally empty. You need to first get the plugin. So I'm gonna go to the plugin store, however you want to call it, library, which is in this link right here. And as you can see, we have a variety of plugins. Let's test this out. It says show hidden channels. So basically this apparently shows the hidden channels that a server has. Like even if they're not visible for you, with this plugin, they will be visible, although you will only see the name of the channel, but you won't be able to see the content in the channel. So we're going to download this plugin. It is downloaded as a JavaScript file. Like if you open it, it's just going to be a bunch of gibberish. You won't be able to see anything or read anything. So now that we have downloaded this file, let's go ahead and find it in our downloads folder. Here's mine, show hidden channels, plugin.js. So let's go back to Discord or Better Discord, and you will have these buttons, open plugins folder. It is going to be the exact same in Windows. So you would just click this button, open plugins folder, and just drag and drop the JavaScript file. Drag and drop, boom. As soon as you drag and drop it, you will see that you have a prompt here. If it shows you something like this, just click on download now. And that should be it. So this plugin in particular required some sort of library for it to work. So now let's turn them on and let's see if they work. So basically this is supposed to show me hidden channels. In my Discord server, I do have some hidden channels. So from this alternate user, let's see if they do show. So I'm gonna go to my own Discord server, and as you can see, it is right there. It does show. That's a channel that I do have on my server. Happy birthday, and it's locked. Like you cannot go in it. You can go on other channels, but not on that one specific, but it does show that the channel exists. These are the other channels that are hitting as well. This plugin is wild. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Just drag and drop the JavaScript file to the plugins folder that you open directly from the Discord app, and you should have the plugins installed. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends, and stay safe out there.